Hey guys, it's Jake with Emotiva. People often ask us, what's it like having Emotiva headquartered in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA? The answer is simple, it rocks. We have people coming by all the time to check out our gear, and we even have musicians stop by to see what kind of devices they can add to their studio. Well, we wanted to give back to those people, and we put our heads together, and we came up with a product that truly rocks and rolls. Introducing the Emotiva DSTRT-ION guitar amplifier. It's the perfect synergy between a company that's well known for amplifier technology and the crappy musicians that make them. The DSTRT has 1.21 gigawatts of power. This is a semi-nominal load because full nominal wasn't necessarily an option here. It's mated to a 10-inch off-the-shelf low excursion driver because it's not the excursion you want, it's the speed. The guitar amp has a full suite of controls to dial it in for any application. Let's take a quick peek. So let's start with the top row. We have our bass knob as well as our voices knob, and we even have a sizzle knob to add some sizzle to those voices. The knobs go up to about 11 or 12. We have a sound better knob as well, which helps out with the first three knobs. We even have Emotiva's proprietary suck knob as well, which we've greatly improved so it sucks even more. Some of those improvements are: we even have a headphone jack right here, in case it gets a little loud, as well as an output, in case you want to daisy chain all these together, if you buy a bunch of them. Now that we've covered the top row, let's dig into the bottom row. We have our input, our volume, our mute button, we have our highly requested and very much used Freebird button, but we're going to get back to that later. We then dig into our equalization. If you want something like Simon or Garfunkel, you can easily do that. Or 7 out of 4 people have recommended that this feature be added, so we finally added it. It's the polyrhythmic fusion jazz mode, or EQ if you really want to call it that. We have our gain as well. For those guys who are really looking to stretch the distortion threshold, crank her up. And then for those who are looking to reach a volume of 11, we did you 9 better. We added the more volume knob so you can realize a full 20 volume. And of course we have our go, no go. Whoop, looks like I missed that little guy. I wouldn't worry about that little guy. Now let's go ahead and head back to the Freebird button. We have this on here in case you've been jamming out, you really need a break. All you need to do is hit the button and it'll start playing a random section of Freebird. And now we've arrived at the back panel of the unit, the DSTSR-8. We take a look here and we have everything you need. Vents, safety, cautions, the name, screws. Everything that really makes a guitar amp rock and roll, and it really ties the room together. The DSTRT-8 is truly an advancement of product development, and what happens when our engineers come back from lunch. Celebrating 20 years in Music City, USA, Nashville, Tennessee, this is Emotiva's love letter to you. The I had it right. The DSTRT-ION is equipped with a 1.21 gigawatt amplifier. Now this is a semi-nominal load, not necessarily a full nominal in this case. It's mated to an off-the-shelf 10-inch low excursion driver, because it's not necessarily about excursion, it's about speed in some cases.